Approximation and estimation. The first question I have is round of 789 532 to the nearest 100, nearest 1000, and then nearest 10,000. When we shall take our number, when we have to round off to nearest 100, we shall study this. So basically we are concerned with 532. 789 is the part of the answer, but we are concerned with 532. 532, 532 is closer to 500 as compared to 600. So the answer will be 789,500. Or in other words, when we shall underline the third digit, as it is 100, three-digit number. So when we shall underline the third digit, we shall study this 3, the next digit. If it is less than 5, we shall drop these two and we shall put 0. And if it is more than 5, then we shall make it 6 and then we will put 0. Similarly, when we shall bring it into thousands, this is fourth digit. As it has 4 digits, 1000. So we shall underline the 4 digit which we are going to study and we shall select the next one. This next one is 5, will give 1 to the previous one. So it will become, instead of 9, it will become 10. We cannot write here 10, so we shall write here 0 and we shall add 1 in this 8. And our final answer will be 790,000. When we shall underline 9 and study this 5, as it is 5, it will give 1 to this 9. 9 will become 10. Definitely here we cannot write 10. We shall write here 0. Add 1 to the next number. 8 plus 1 will be 9, 7, 9, and these 4 will be zeros. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't say it then 1000. Just count the number of digits. 3 into 5, 3 into 5. Now you are going to study this and we are going to underline this and study this. This 9 will definitely give 1 to 8. It will be 7, 9 and the rest of 4 will be 0. And our answer will be 7, 9, 4 zeros. You can observe these two have the same answer, but the requirement was different. Going towards the next question, question 2. Correct each of the following numbers to one decimal place. So we have to give our answers correct to one decimal place. 2.497, 18.5095, 36.148 and 138.08. Okay, so when we have to give our answer correct to one decimal place, we shall underline the first decimal as it would be the part of the answer. Study the second one, plus 1. Our answer will be 2.5. Here we shall take the first decimal, study it, it is 0, so we shall drop it, it will be 18.5. First decimal, study this, we shall drop it as it is less than 5. Our answer will be 36.1. And here we shall study this 8 and underline the 0. This is more than 5, so we shall have 138.1. Whenever we have to give our answer correct to one decimal place, we shall underline the first decimal and we study the second one. If the second number is more than 5, then we give 1 to the previous and leave or drop the rest of the number. And if the next number is less than 5, we ignore it and write the remaining number. Our answer should have one decimal place. Our answer will have one decimal place. Now we have to give our answer correct to two decimal places. Two decimal places means our answer will have two numbers after decimal when we shall round off, convert it into two decimal places. I have 4 examples for you. Okay, when we have to give our answer correct to two decimal places, we shall select first and second decimal. they will be the part of answer. The third decimal will decide what would be the final answer. This is 8 more than 5. It will give 1 to 9. 9 will become 10. Will remain 0 itself and give 1 to 6. Our answer will be 4.70. I repeat it because it is little difficult. This is more than 5, which is going to be considered, which is going to be studied, right? The digits after decimal, the two digits are 6 and 9. We shall study 8. 8 is more than 5. It will give 1 to 9 and we shall drop it. Now this 9 has become 10. It will itself become 0 and it will give 1 to 6 and 6 will become 7. It will give 1 to 6 and our 6 will become 7. So the final answer is 4.70. Here we will have these two digits after decimal, two decimal place. 7 will be studied. 7 is more than 5. It will give 1 to 3. 3 will become 4. Our final answer is 14.94. Two numbers after decimal. This is 8 and 0 after decimal, which is going to be selected. This 4 will decide what would be the answer. This 4 is less than 5. We shall ignore it. We shall drop these two numbers. We shall give final answer 26.80. As this 4 is less than 5, it will give nothing to 0. 0.05. The two decimal numbers are 0 and 4. This is the third number. It will decide. It is going to give 1 to 4 and our final answer will be 0.05. Next question is, convert each of the following to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. We can have 1, 2, 3, 4 different number of decimal places. The procedure will remain the same. I shall pick only 2 or 3 just to clear the concept. Then we shall go ahead. So we work on the first. We need 3 numbers after decimal. 1, 2, 3. Study this. This is 5. It will give 1 to this 5 and this one will become 6. Our final answer will be 4.826. I think now you can also do. We have to take 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. This is less than 5. It will be dropped and it will give nothing to 8. So our answer will remain 6.828. Notice each answer is according to the requirement of question. Each answer should have 3 numbers after decimal. So it has 1, 2, 3 numbers. This 5 will give again 1 to 9. This 9 will become 10. It will be itself 0 and give 1 to 5. Or in other words, this 49 will have 1 and it will become 50. We shall have 7.4. This 4 and 9, 49, when it will have 1, it will be 50. So the last one, first number after decimal, second, third. This 6 will give 1 as it is more than 5. We shall have 0.038. Okay, the last question related to decimal places and whole number. Then we shall go for significant figures. This is 1 dp, 1 decimal place, 36.2598. First number after decimal is 2, right? And we have to study 5. 5 will give 1 to 2 and our answer will be 36.3. Then the same number we are going to convert it into a whole number. For whole number we read the last number before decimal. This is 6 and we have to underline the last digit before the decimal and we have to study the first digit after the decimal. This is basically 36 point something. This something will decide either it is 36 or going to become 37. If this number is 5 or more than 5, then it will give 1 to the previous number or the number before the decimal, the last number before the decimal. And if it is less than 5, so we shall drop it. Here we shall have our answer as 36. Nearest whole number means the 36 is the whole number. 3 decimal places. 36.259. These are the 3 decimal places. We have to work on 8. 8 will definitely give 1 to 9 and our 9 is going to become 0 and 5 is going to become 1, or in other words we shall have 59 as 60 or our answer 36.260. Now we have to work on the number of significant figures in each number. There are 4 to 5 rules for finding the number of significant figures in each and in any number. The most important rule is that the sandwich zeros, the zeros between the non-zero numbers, are significant. That is, in this number we shall have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 significant figures. The numbers between the non-zero numbers are significant, so we shall count here total 5 digits. The numbers, second rule is the numbers, the zeros in the start of the numbers. The zeros in the start of the numbers are not significant. So in this number we have total 4 significant figures. I repeat, the second rule is the starting zeros or the zeros before any non-zero numbers are not significant. So this 0.00 are not significant. The total number of significant figures in this figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As this 0 is between non-zero numbers, so total we have 5 digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We shall count this last 0 as significant because it is written in the question, so it is significant. You can give here answer 9 also, because when we shall write this number on calculator, this 0, when you will add or subtract or do any operation on calculator, the calculator will omit this 0. So you can give answer 10, you can give answer 9, both answers will be correct, because this 0 is basically not having any substance here, but this was the part, it was the part of the answer, so you count it as 10, you can count it as 9. Both are correct. Now we are going to round off few numbers, or we are going to express few numbers correct to the specific number of significant figures required. So the first part is 3.9054. We have to round off or express it correct to 2 significant figures. These are the first 2 non-zero numbers. These are the first 2 significant figures. We shall study this 0. This 0 is less than 5, so our answer will be 3.9. If we have 19.64851 and we have to give our answer correct to 2 significant figures, these are the first 2 figures. We shall study this 6. 6 is more than 5, so it will give 1 to 9. 9 will become 0 and 1 will become 2, or in other words, our 19 will become 20, and the answer has 2 numbers, 2 digits. So it is 2 significant figures. So it has 2 significant figures. 37.87 correct to 2 significant figures. These are the 2 numbers. This 8 will give 1 and the answer will be 38. 4.0672 correct to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. This 0 between the non-zero numbers will be taken as significant. Our answer should have 3 numbers. This 7 will give 1 to 6. Our answer will be 4.07. 18.08. 3 significant figures will give us 1, 2, 3, 18.1. 0.03256 correct to 3 significant figure will give us, these 2 are zeros, will not be counted. Our first significant figure is 3, then 2, then 5. These are the 3 figures. We shall select this 6. This 6 is more than 5, will give 1, 2, 5, and this is the part of answer 0.0, but the final answer will be 0.0326. This is the final answer. It is having now 3 significant figures. These starting zeros are not significant, so total number of significant figures in the answer is 3, 3, 2 and 6. Few more parts. 0.076952 correct to 3 significant figures. This is the first significant figure, second, third. We shall select this 5. This 5 will give 1 to 9. 9 will become 10. 6 will become 7, or in other words, this 69 will become 70. It will be 0.0770. Notice now here, this 0 is counted. it would be counted as significant figure. Our answer will have 0.0. This is not the part of the answer. It would not be counted. It would be written. We shall write it with the answer, but it will not be counted. Our counted three numbers will be 7, 7 and 0. 0 is also counted. This is 0.0081654. Three significant figures. 1, 2, 3. This 5 will give 1 to 6. Our final answer will be 817. This 5 will give 1 to 6 and our answer will be 0.00817. 18.1356. Four significant figures. We shall have 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5 will give 1 to 3 and our final answer will be 18.14. 5 will give 1 to 3 and the final answer is 18.14. Then I have 240.0489. Four significant figures. These are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 4 will give nothing. So final answer will be 240.0.